Safety Source specializes in turnkey LED retrofits for our Tier 1 auto suppliers, like this recent installation. We work with clients from rebate assessment through processing, light study, design, materials, and install. Our process works in lockstep with your team to take advantage of the financial benefit of rebates and financing all the way through project completion. Safety Source provides several industrial rack solutions as well. Here at this enterprise client, we installed flow racks to optimize production. Flow racks create reconfigurable, flexible storage to accommodate line and process changes. Made with heavy-gauge steel construction, providing durable, clean, and organized solutions. For optimal stock management, this client chose Interlake Mecalux Pallet racking. The company's patented beam-to-frame connection creates the most rigid, reliable structure available. Safety Source is supporting Tier 1 auto suppliers with high-quality products like these to improve workforce productivity, efficiency, and safety. Contact Safety Source for your next industrial project. We are your source for turnkey improvements from LED lights to conveyor systems, pallet racking, and many more.